Hi there. How's going on, everybody? I hope you are doing good. So today we will discuss about uh, Python developer. What is Python developer? So let's go to the chat GPT and type what is Python developer. So here you will get the answer. Okay. Basically, we are here getting Python developer is a software developer who specializes uh, specializes in writing software using the Python programming language. Python is a popular high-level programming language that is widely used for web development, data analysis, scientific computing, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and other areas. Now, Python developers are responsible for designing, developing, maintaining software applications that use Python as the primary programming language. These are the Python language. Oh, Python programming language. Here in skills, some of the key skills that are required for a Python developer, including proficiency in Python programming, experience, relevant work frameworks, and libraries such as Django, Flask, NumPy, Pandas, knowledge of web development technologies such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, familiarity with database such as MySQL, PostgreSQL, and the ability to work with Linux operating system. I'm working on that, and Unix based operating system. And you can means these are must, but you can use Windows also. Now, why I'm showing this thing? Why I'm showing this thing? So here is one question. Question is that like for becoming a Python developer, which on like Python has a lot of libraries, but in what kind of libraries, in which libraries a Python developer should concentrate? They should learn on that specific library so that it will help to become Python developer. So I have listed that 20 libraries here for those people who want to become Python developer and want to make use Django, Flask, and APIs and web development applications and the desktop and app Android applications also. So here are some listed libraries with reference link. I will give these all in the video description. You can go and take from there also. And if you want, you can follow me in GitHub for data science people and the developer people. Like if you will open GitHub here and just you will search my name like this, and you will get this person. You will go here and you will see I'm a specialized on computer vision, working as a data scientist, and here you will get all the things about me. Inside this you will go here and you can follow from here like this. You can follow to me, and you need to create your own account before that, and look at my repositories, pushing my repositories here. So you can follow me on this, and you can access my all repositories. Like recently I have done heal time project here, face recognition app, machine learning engineering, for production and applications. These are the certificates. Awesome ML and NLP tasks, fast classification, face unlock app, and face recognition with CNN or for mobile net model. Like that, I have 61 repositories here. You can take a view there, and you can use that also. So coming back into the libraries, you should learn these libraries. So first one is request libraries, which is very important because I have stored this library in Python programming list also. Like here, if you will go now, then this video you will get. It is a must video for all the programmers, whether it is web programming, data science, or something else. Here in library exploration, you we full list you will get it here 4 or 5 videos. So this video has that library extensions, and here I have explored the library, how to use the documentation and the functions NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and as well as I will add here sklearn, scikit-learn, PyTorch, and TensorFlow, and many more libraries. Because this is explore libraries uh, playlist here, and I have written the description here. You can go and read on that, and you will get all the things on time. So come back on the libraries. So request library, it will give you for making http request and interacting with apis, like you will create such kind of applications which will give you to render api server or web server, like google.com. So google.com, what is that? That is a kind of path which is called api in development. In Flask, it's a web application framework. You can make any kind of website here using Python in fewer line, means 5 to 10 lines you can make that. Means any kind of website you can make that. Django, it's a web development software kit or framework, we can say. It's a it is a representation in web development career in Python. It's a very huge it has very huge plugins also and commands, and you will get all the functionalities which is available in Java, .NET, and other frame for that languages. They have like React.js and Spring Boot, like that kind of framework they have na. That frameworks you will get in single framework, means the all the functionalities. PyTest also we have for testing units, test automation. Selenium for automation and web scraping, I had showed you. Then click is a library command line interface. Then PyLint is for code analysis and quality checking, like pp8 we have na. pp8 you don't know? pp8, oh sorry, pp8, it's a kind of documentation for Python. Wait, Python, this one. What is pp8? A document that provides various guidelines to write a readable code. Means it's a guideline for writing the codes. And if you want, I can show you full form also for this. mm, Getting confused, that's why I'm not relation. pp8, ppe8, I ppe8, PEP8, sorry, PEP8, Python Enhancement Proposal 8. It will give you how to write like I'm giving simple example to you. Okay, like if you are writing one function and the you are calling that function, so between that function and calling that function, how much gap should be there, like 2 lines or 4 lines gap. Or for if you have one class, then if you want to make another class, so you cannot calculate that with line by line na. You have to separate, you have to leave some lines there. So how many lines should be there, this document will tell you. So you should learn this thing also. Then PyYAML, it's very important, because to give a model instructions or a hyperparameter tuning also we use this. It's a kind of text file, but it's a high level of uh, markup language for human readable file. Okay, then Fabric for automating system administration tasks. You will get to know here. If you want, you can go from this website directly, you can go here. Okay, open it. Yeah. So Fabric is a high-level a Python library designed to execute shell command remotely in SSH. Now, if you want to know what is SSH, like if you will go here, search here, so you will type, go here and here. So HTTPS and GitHub command line interface. So here you will get one SSH thing. Why I'm not getting that? show you. Okay, don't worry, friend. I don't know why I'm not getting that. Another person I'm looking. CI/CD automation. Like anyone, I'm not. I don't know who is it. They have, I think, changed that, but here probably we should get SSH key also. SSH for GitHub, like that. Okay, so we'll get about SSH from here. So these SSH key will give you access of any API, like that we use that. Then after that, YAML key, Fabric, okay, Paramiko will work with SSH, okay, Tornado for building scalable and non-blocking web applications. You cannot block them. Like while suddenly for running the ads, for designing the ads, we use this one. You got to know, I think. In any website, if you will open that, they will give some kind of pop-up to you, like I will show you for I will open this. Here, one pop-up will come suddenly. Wait, this pop-up, okay. One, if I will like that, if I will go here, come on. Why they are not giving today? I don't know what is happening. In general, they give some kind of pop-up here every day. They are not giving today. Okay, okay. But you will get some kind of pop-up. Understanding is must. Then twisted for building even driven networking applications. Then pydantic, it's very useful for data validation in setting management. Like you have created one website and someone is giving his own data there, and it should like you have made one kind of application which accepts the image and text only, but they are giving some kind of JSON file, or you have made you have made some language transfer model, but it will accept only text, but they are giving some PDFs or some document files. So it should be validate that data. If it is text, then let it come, otherwise it will show some kind of error there, like incorrect format or file extension error, like that. And UVCon is a ASGI application of like fast API and UVCon server. You should know this. Mostly for making fast API, even I am building the fast API. I have used this UVCon for that. And this fast API is very important, friends. Like let me show you. If I will go in NLP in fast, I have probably made that API, I think. So in load test API, here you will get main. Look here, API. So I have you made this function here. So for that also I was showing na UVCon. So we use this UVCon here. I have imported this UVCon also. So logging, time, data preprocessing, these are the all libraries which we should learn fast and restful. Flask API also you should learn. SQL Alchemy, working with SQL database. Alembic also for SQL database, and PyJWT for encoding and decoding the data set, and Hue for task queue scheduling. This is very interesting. Uh, huh. So here you will get all the guidelines for that and codes also for Redis Hue, like it's a kind of database control library. If you will use this library, you means you should know that's it. Like in deployment, it will use a lot. So for that purpose, I have made this video for you guys. Just go and read about these all libraries. Thank you so much. Bye bye.